Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents into S3 using no-code tools, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer documents into S3 using no-code tools, start by selecting a no-code platform that supports integrations with AWS S3. Examples of such platforms include Zapier, Integromat, or Pipedream. Create an account on your chosen platform if you haven't already. Log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option to create a new workflow or scenario. Select a trigger that suits your document source, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or email. Connect your document source account to the no-code platform. Once connected, configure the trigger settings to specify how and when documents will be transferred. Next, add a new action to the workflow. Search for and select the AWS S3 integration as your action app. Connect your AWS S3 account using access keys or other authentication methods. Define the specific S3 bucket where the documents will be stored. Customize the action settings to include options like file naming conventions or metadata. Test the workflow to make sure the documents are transferring correctly. If everything looks good, activate the workflow to begin transferring documents automatically. Monitor the workflow from the dashboard to ensure it's functioning as expected. Make adjustments as needed based on your requirements or any changes in your document sources. You now have a fully automated process for transferring documents into S3 using no-code tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.